I don't even know if you can hear me, but hey guys, I am shooting to update my website today, and this is the one day I have in Nairobi. No, I haven't even introduced the vlog. I'm shooting to update my website, and this is the one day that I have in Nairobi actually, so I'm gonna be doing a photo shoot right now, and then we'll be moving towards the event later, and I'm really having fun with this. The first time I did this was when I was launching my website, which was 2-3 years ago, so I'm so happy to be doing this again, and we have amazing guys at Real Photography who are really helping us with everything. So we are officially at the space that will be hosting the High Renovation Workshop, and I'm so excited, but at the same time we are a bit late, so we're trying to set up everything before everyone gets here. There was heavy traffic today, so I'm really loving it. So come behind the scenes and see who. Actually, Jemo, say hi to everyone. Let me turn the camera so that you can see who is behind the camera. Say what you do.
Today, my name is James.
We can't hear you.
Take a picture of a beautiful space and beautiful people.
I see. Perfect. Ooh. You don't want to be part of it. Yeah, but this is how the setup looks. We are still working on it because we are nowhere close to what it should be. So I'll show you guys how it looks at the end. You can get your products in the supermarkets. You can get your products to wholesalers. You can get your product. You don't even have to do retail on a website or anything of the sort. Sure. You under 55 is in the health industry because I'll be doing more projects to do with reproductive health. Yes. So that is my other industry. So I am in the human development, will be in the health industry, and fashion. So you see, one is related to my hobby, one is related to my purpose, something that I would love to do to give back, and the other one is related to my core skill set. So in case one industry clashes, you're still good. And you can get to say, so do not, this is still one career, still offering the same skill set, but in different ways. And this is the only way you can get fulfilled, and this is the only way you can get contribute. Okay? So that's why for Chebet, she is in a different industry, IT, going into books, and you have a friend who is already in publishing. I don't see a lot of people creating a lot of digital products, and people still.
For me, I've really grown, and thank you, Meg, and anyone who has not joined. Wendy, you don't know what you're missing.
Wow. Yeah, and then there's also this new baby. So there's also this for you. It's new. So
Thank you.
And then some pads.
Oh wow, amazing.
Yeah, I really love this pads actually. A lot of people complain like they're small. If you have a heavy flow, I just recommend changing regularly. But for me, I love them so much. So that's it. I hope you enjoy the product. You're welcome. And I didn't do this so that you can go to the supermarket tomorrow and buy rosy. I just did this out of my heart. I just wanted to give it to you guys.
Bye. Well, you have to like because we supporting you.
I'm glad.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. It has this nozzle, so you just
apply on the scalp, and a little goes a long way. So this lasts and it does the job. So if you have problems with your hairline, it's going to help it work. And rose water.
So, my name is Wendy. I own Kaizo the label. I started Kaizo around October 2020. Since the year 2020.
You know, this could be a rave somewhere, you know. So you guys taking time to come actually spend money, effort, time, getting long to really invest in yourself. For me, it makes me very, very proud coach, and I'm so proud